everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a beautiful floral Victorian jewelry box using the new H2O slides from Redesign with Prima. Now this is a great way to make over your old jewelry box, or if you like thrift store shopping like I do, it's a great way to make over a thrift store jewelry box. Are you ready? Let's get making! Jewelry boxes were in common use as early as 5000 BC in ancient Egypt, as the majority of Egyptians, both male and female, wore jewelry. The earliest finding of jewelry was dated around 25,000 years ago. This simple necklace made of fish bones was found in a cave in Monaco. With the value of $3.5 million, the Muawad Flower of Eternity jewelry coffer was named the most valuable jewelry box in the world by the Guinness Book of World Records in 2016. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the original Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.